What's up, guys? We're back at it again. You clicked on this video, you want to talk about some wind damage. We just had a windstorm here a couple days ago and our phones are going crazy. We're gonna do a wind inspection on this house here with my buddy Eric, wherever he's at. It's kind of bright out here. We're gonna see what kind of damage is here, and are we gonna be able to get a full replacement by the insurance company? Is it gonna be just a repair? Is it nothing at all? I don't know. Stay tuned. Let's check it out. All right, Eric, what's up? We just got here. We haven't even inspected this roof yet.
Well, I just got up here and we already see two slopes that were affected by this wind. And the neighbors look like they have some wind damage as well. We have some new roofs. So this area has definitely been affected by storms. And it looks like this wind might have got the best of this roof. So let's dive a little deeper and see what's going on.
All right, so we got some shingles here missing, about 1, 2, 3, 4 tabs. How strong were the winds here, do you know?
They were about 60 to 70 miles an hour.
Because you live
right here.
Yeah, you live down the street.
I need to go look at my own roof.
Yeah,
so,
okay. So this is one area here, right?
Yeah.
And then let's move up. Because we've actually never recorded something without like previously looking at it.
Yeah. So it looks like here. So
another two tabs.
The thing with wind damage is, yeah, you see this, but what you don't see is this right here. So the next time that wind comes through.
Oh shit! Did those nails blow through?
Yeah, it pulled through completely. If you get right here, you can see where the nail pulled right through.
Yeah.
So now here they're kind of stuck, but here you can see. Someone's calling me. So all the way down here, the shingles have zippered. Looks like if you follow, they go all the way down.
All right. Ooh, that doesn't look good. Look at this vent right here on the edge.
Yeah.
A little bit.
So
right.
The wind looks like it got under here. I've actually seen these things blow off from windstorms. They act as a parachute. So you can feel the heat coming out from the attic.
Yeah.
Middle of January, and we're going to the beach.
Yeah, look. What do you have to say to all the guys up north, like in Canada and Minnesota?
I'm out here catching a tan in the middle of January.
Let's see if they watch this videos like this week. Oh, nice color.
This
matches well.
This is what happens when you go with the cheapest bid.
Yep. All right.
So here, got a random bolt in the roof.
Bolt this.
Looks like wind here. If you look here. So you can't really tell, but we are on an elevated, we're in an elevated area. If you look over there, you can see where we're on like a little hill.
Yeah.
So, and the hill only goes.
We're low.
The hill only goes
and then
up.
We're high.
So the winds constantly are blowing through here.
Yeah.
And if you look too at the fence, you can see where the wind has taken its toll on the fence.
You think they dig that fence, or do you think it's just old?
I don't know, but that's I'm sure the wind.
Yeah, just what time.
So, these are all things that you just look around and you start to notice, and it kind of paints the picture of what actually took place here. I'm basically a roof detective, so.
Okay, so where were the winds coming from, do you think?
The winds were coming from north.
Yeah.
Northwest, and they were blowing this way because of the way the shingles are blown off.
Okay.
And if you look on this side of the house, there's not as much. Like that down there was old wind damage. And there's no new wind damage. I'm sure there's wind damage here, but no new wind damage on the side that's facing southeast.
Some people got some new roofs. That one across the street's got a new roof.
That's got a new roof. That's got a new roof. Caddy Corner's got a new roof. That's got a new roof. It's like Oprah came through here and gave out some new roofs.
Yeah. What do you think about this?
Well, the hip's always the first to go. So this is fresh, and you can tell it's fresh because the nail's not rusted over.
So we get that one area.
Oh, look at this.
That area there. That area. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa.
There's just 70-mile-an-hour wind gust.
It's just flapping.
Yeah. So what we'll do is we'll mark this up just a little bit to see and show the significance of the damage. And we're probably going to actually recommend this homeowner to call their insurance company, send an adjuster out here. And we may be looking at a full roof replacement on this one, just due to the fact that there's multiple slopes that have been affected throughout the roof, and the amount of foot traffic and the amount of equipment that's going to have to be brought up here is not going to be feasible to do a repair here without causing even more damage to the roof.
Think it'll get approved?
It's
only 1, 2, 3 areas.
Well, they also got the back.
Yeah.
So it's it's one of those things. Now, if it doesn't get approved, what we'll do is we'll do a repair, but we're gonna have to do on a full slope repair there due to the multiple spots where it's patched from the wind blowing it off. So here you can see where the wind has blown out.
Yeah, you can tell. Like I had just moved this one. You can see that.
Look at the hole it made from the nail.
Yeah. Let's see. Do you think this one? Yeah. So this one's. So pick that one up, and then we'll look at. I was trying for you not to pick this one up, so you could see that this one as well. Like.
Well, it's okay. We can go to the next one.
Okay. Let's see. So look at this one here. We haven't even touched it yet, but.
Barely.
That
stuck.
one. What about this one? Let me see. Maybe not that one. This one for sure, and then those for sure. All right.
At one point.
Yeah.
All right, you want to wrap it up?
Yep. Let's wrap it up.
All right, so we just walked around again. Might have spoke a little too soon. After looking at it, the wind damage is isolated majority to the front 2 slopes. So we're gonna talk to the homeowner, let them know, propose a repair, and see what they want to do, because ultimately it's their home. But we can definitely get this thing repaired and in good shape, and see what happens. We're just here in mid-July, 70 degrees. Enjoying the sun.
All right, guys. Well, we're done here. We just had a windstorm a couple days ago. We're here. People have been calling us like crazy. Windstorms are tricky because sometimes it will blow the entire roof off, and sometimes you're looking at something like this where there was a couple areas that got wind damage, blown off shingles. Erik and I talked about it, and in my opinion, I don't think that the insurance company will approve a full replacement. That's just my opinion. We could call if we wanted to, but honestly, I think we'll be spinning our wheels if we do that. 98% of the roof is looking pretty good. We're probably going to go down, let the homeowner know what happened, show him some pictures, and then we'll give him an estimate for the roof repair. So I'm going to turn this screen around one more time, and I'm going to show you one area where we can tell from where I'm standing there's definitely some wind damage.